What's up, everybody? What's going on? Hey, we've got one job today and one job only. We are going to cut, bag, aerate, overseed, and put fertilizer down. So we brought the old Ryan with us. What's going on, dude?
What's up?
Easy day, huh?
Yeah.
Easy day. It has been raining on and off today, but yep, we're gonna get her done. I'll get plenty of footage, show you how I overseed, and not much to it, but for some of you guys that haven't aerated, you might want to watch this video. So let's go to work. Okay guys, so what I did already was go ahead and cut it down to 3.5. I don't scalp it, I just take it down, but I did want to bag it. Now I'm going to trim everything, then we'll aerate. The customer bought the seed with the fertilizer and the mulch in it, so we're not going to be able to use the spreader on it. I'm going to try, but it's going to go quick, so I'll get to doing this. Let's see if this bad boy starts up. This thing does not want to start. Okay, Justin is going to finish up the back trimming. We're going to start aerating, and then when I'm done aerating and seeding. Now, on my curbs like this, let me show you the curbs that are, you know, a little bit wider. I'll always take three passes through there. You see the edge. Looks pretty nice. So let's go ahead and start aerating. And I am using a Ryan walk behind. So I'm using the Ryan with the easy steer. No, it's not easy to steer. Doesn't turn circles like everybody thinks. But there it is. I bought this 3.5 years ago. Yes, my tines are dirty. That's what happens when you aerate. So I think I paid $3,150 for that. It was that year's model, but they had it sitting in the back. It was $39.95 and he gave it to me for $31.50 because it had just sat there the entire year. I have had zero problems with it. It's an awesome aerator. Do I have, a lot of people say, man, I wouldn't be walking, I'd be riding. Well, I'm not paying 10 grand or 11 grand for a riding aerator to do it 25 times in the fall. So I want to show you guys the plugs that are coming out, and that is clay right there. We have a lot of clay here in Columbus. There's another plug, and that can show you how much thatch buildup there was. Just compaction. I mean, that was very compacted. So we try to do this twice a year. Some customers don't want it done twice a year, but I prefer to do it twice a year, just for the simple fact, as fast as our grass grows and as thick as these yards are, it just seems to help. But you know, that's all up to the customer. It's definitely something I think everybody should be doing. Now, different areas of the country, I've seen different things done down south, different grass. Everybody seems to do what they call scalping. I had never heard of that until I saw it this year. But man, definitely works up a sweat aerating. But try to get some footage back here for you. As you can see, the backyard is pretty bad, but it's mainly because of this tree. Just sucks all the water out of the ground. But yeah, it's getting a little warm out, but we've had rain the last 3 days, so we will have a full week this week of mowing. I'm excited, man. It's pay week. Let's get back to work. So what we're doing next is, let me show you this seed. Wasn't quite what I wanted to work with, but we're going to try to put it in the, here it is right here. It's got the mulch in it. So I'm going to try to put it into my spreader. I've got a little Prize Lawn LF1. Nice little spreader. For no more than what I do, it's perfect. So it doesn't work very good out of the spreader, so I'm just going to do it by hand. Oh yeah, by the way, we're using the One Step from Pennington, the Sun and Shade. It's got the Smart Seed, mulch, and fertilizer. Time to blow everything off and hit the road, guys. So I know everybody can't stand the blow. All right, guys, we got done at the other place. I decided, hey, we haven't been here to cut in a week, so we're out here at our 2-acre property. You guys have seen this before. What's going on, amigo?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
This is America. English.
Hello, how are you?
Gosh. Anyway, just teasing, guys. Anyway, we are going to get some footage of this place, and yeah, I hope some of you guys who've never done aeration or seen aeration, I mean, look, you can you can YouTube aeration all day long, man. It's really simple to do. I suggest people rent one at a place where you can rent it on a Saturday and they only charge you for one day, and you have it all day Sunday. Get as many as you can get. Work all day Saturday, work all day Sunday, take it back Monday. The profits are excellent. That's what I used to do before I owned my aerator. Now I can just load it up and go whenever we want. We're getting ready to really start hitting aeration hard this next 2 weeks because it's finally starting to cool down. We got some rain, so things are looking better. But definitely, if you have a comment or if you have a question, put it down below on the comment section. I'll try to answer it for you, and I'll help anybody out I can on pricing and things like that. But let's go to work. Alright guys, that's it for the day. We've got one more. I just got a phone call on, so we'll go knock that one out. But you've all seen that one. It's a big 1.5 acres. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something. If there's a better way to do it, please let me know. I'm always trying to learn something new out here and a quicker way to do it. But yeah, like I say, there's a lot of aeration videos, but it's really simple. It pays good money. Takes a little while longer with a small aerator like that. But you can also get the ones that you hook to your equipment, to your mowers. I've never really liked those because they don't have as many tines on them. This one is a 25-inch width and has, let's see, 3, 6, 7 tines, or 7 rows of tines. But it definitely wears you out, especially if you do it for a whole day and you've never done it before. You'll be sweating. So as always, Dr. Real was in the house. Thanks for stopping in my live last night, and I'll see you live Wednesday, but we will see you tomorrow. I'm out of here. Peace.